across the road. Looks like they really cleared it off. Let me zoom over there. I don't know what that is, outhouse or what. Yeah, let's just zoom around here a little ways. Ignore the cables that are in the way. There's Rosemary's house over there. You might want to know what her roof looks like. There's the intersection of Virgil Drive and Old Ranch Road. Heading up that way toward Manville. Just scan the horizon here briefly. And go back around the other way. I'm looking down at our backyard and our roof. Let's see. There's a view down the tower. That's a strap in the way there. I don't know if I can get that out of the way or not. Let's see. There's the van. And there's the tack room. I don't know who that is. Let's see, I think you can see Desert Winds from here. Yeah, you can see the roof of Desert Winds. Way down on the horizon there. I don't know if it's going to come out or not. Down in that area. And over there somewhere, there's Twin Peaks. You can see them or not. Now let's go back and look at our neighbors here, see what they're up to. I don't know what those piles of dirt are. I guess that's just where they've cleared. I don't know, maybe they're going to build a house there. That's looking up toward the monument.